This video will talk through the Revalue Stock Wizard feature. Go to the menu, click on Wizards and Sim Wizards. Under the Revalue Stock Wizard option, select the store that you want to make adjustments for. Click on Search and select Items. Use the filters to filter down the products that you want to adjust. Click Select All tick box. Click Edit Items. Here you can adjust the average weighted cost of the items. It will warn you that when you adjust the stock, you are also adjusting your stock holding. To make changes to the cost price, you can do this on an individual basis, or you can use the Modify All button to make changes in bulk. Click Apply New Cost to modify all items within the wizard. Any adjustments that will be made are highlighted in blue. When changes are made, click Commit Changes.